Xiaomi 14 might globally launch during MWC 2024. In October, Xiaomi introduced the Xiaomi 14 alongside the Xiaomi 14 Pro in China. These models marked the company's debut of the innovative HyperOS user interface. Now the base Xiaomi 14 is anticipated to make a global appearance, unveiling at the Mobile World Congress 2024. The tip has been surfaced on X by Yogesh Brar, an astute tipster. Launching with a Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 SoC, the Xiaomi 14 from China boasts a captivating 6.36-inch 1.5K LTPO AMOLED panel featuring 120Hz refresh rate, 460 ppi pixel density, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. This smartphone promises a visually stunning and immersive display experience. In the camera section, the Xiaomi 14 features a Leica-branded triple rear camera setup comprising a 50-megapixel Hunter 900 sensor with OIS, a 50MP telephoto camera, and a 50MP sensor with an ultra-wide angled lens. The front camera is equipped with a 32MP sensor, promising exceptional photography experiences. Powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, the Xiaomi 14 merges cutting-edge technology with up to 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage. A substantial 4,610 mAh battery supporting 90-watt wired, 50-watt wireless, and 10-watt wireless reverse charging ensures powerful and efficient performance. With a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, up to 12GB of RAM, and up to 1TB of storage, the Xiaomi 14 delivers high-performance capabilities. The device's sleek design, IP68 dust and water resistance, and dimensions of 152.8mm into 71.5mm into 8.20mm, weighing 193 grams, deliver a powerful and stylish user experience.